Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
With all that in mind, I suggest readers keep a close eye on these 7 explosive cryptocurrencies in the coming year. Bitcoin BTC, Zcash ZEC, Ripple XEC, Basic Attention Token BAT, Chainlink Link, Synthetic Network Token SNX, DX Chain Token DX. The 22nd of December 2020.
Take our lead.
In fact, for a couple of reasons, an investor can believe that both a Bitcoin will crash again and b Bitcoin still is worth owning right now. First, the crash may still be a long ways off, and more upside may follow. An analyst could have correctly predicted in early 2017 that BTC was going to crash within a year. 15 February 2021.
Take our lead.
Based on tech analysis and past data, it's expected that Tezos may hit $4.30 in 2021. Furthermore, according to Wallet Investor, XTZ can be worth $7.03 in 2025. CryptoGround also claims that Tezos is a good long-term investment. According to the source, XTZ will reach $9.01 in 2025.
Take our lead.
What is the best cryptocurrency? Bitcoin BTC. The granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin was first and is the most well-known cryptocurrency on the market. Ethereum, ETH, Ripple, XRP, EOS, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, Litecoin, LTC, Chainlink, Link. The 1st of February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.